Alright classes, I just wanted to run through a quick tutorial on what your day-to-day e-learning portals will look like, just so if you have questions, this might answer some of those right away. So when you sign into Canvas, I'm going to just pick pre-calc right here. You should see either the chapter that we're working on and then the e-learning days. I'm going to separate each e-learning day as a page. For example, tomorrow is Tuesday, the first e-learning day for everyone. So for pre-calc, all you have to do is click on the day that it is, and I type out what I want you to do. So for pre-calc, you just have to watch the video. Again, if it's Calc 3, it might be the same thing. If it's Algebra 2, it might be the same thing. What you'll usually see is the video itself. In this case, we're cutting out some of the stuff so you don't have to watch the whole video. And then if you look below the video, usually I'll have the blank note sheet in case you want to use that. Otherwise, you can just write on a piece of paper if you have a notebook at home. I have the blank worksheet. Now this is where, for pre-calc, I'm just assigning a couple problems from this worksheet, so you can kind of just click on it to look at the problems that I'm asking about. So in this case, I'm asking you to do problems 1 and 2 on the worksheet, and you click here to get the problems. And then you can just do the problems on a piece of paper. And finally, this last link is the assignment link. This is where you're going to just upload the picture of the work that you did. The easiest way to do that, again, is to use your phone on Canvas and use the Canvas app to take the picture and then just submit it to the assignment tab. If you need help with that, on the first day I did put this tutorial on how to submit an assignment using the Canvas app underneath it. Calc 3 is very similar. And Algebra 2, you might have some checkpoints to do. Instead of uploading a picture, you'll have to click and it'll be like a 5-question Canvas quiz. Other things I might do, I will have different Zoom conferences per day. I'm probably going to alternate between the classes. So for example, I know that I am starting with Calc 3 tomorrow, and then the next day I might have pre-calc, and then the next day I might have Algebra 2. That does not mean you cannot contact me and get help anytime. I'm on my email all day. So email me if you have a quick question about something, and I'll get back to you immediately. But I figure for like an office hours type thing for a live meeting that I'll alternate my classes so that, you know, because it's not necessary to meet every day with this scenario. But I'll do random check-ins and see how you guys are doing, and so we'll schedule conferences each day to like I said, I'll alternate my classes. So I should be seeing you guys once or twice a week live. Okay, that's pretty much it. Again, if you have any other questions, please email me, and you know, we're all doing this together starting tomorrow, and I know it's a whole different thing, but hopefully we all can learn from this together. I will see you guys shortly.